Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mathematical Room. So in our today's video we are going to compare the trigonometric ratios by using the different angles of the right angle triangle. So here's the picture, here's the figure drawn as ABC is a right angle triangle. The B at point B, the angle 90, at point C the angle 60, and you know that the sum of all these angles of the triangle equals to 180 degrees. So if we say that this angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 60 degrees, so what will be the angle A that we can find by adding these two angles and subtract from 180 to find the angle A, because sum of all the angles of any triangle equals to 180 degrees. So if we add all these angles, so the sum should be 180 degree. So 90 and 60 will be equals to 150, and then you can say that the angle A should be 30 degrees. So that angle will be the 30 degree. So now we are going to find the different trigonometric ratios with the help of these two angles, and then comparing that what's going to happen with the trigonometric ratios of 60 degrees and the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. So let's say I'm going to give the names as of the sides as with the small letters, that this point, this angle is A, so I can say that the opposite side of angle A is small a. This angle is B, the opposite side as given the name as small b, and C point, the opposite side is given a name as small letter C. So now we are going to find the different trigonometric ratios with these different angles as given as 30 and 60. So if we find all the values or all the trigonometric ratios with respect to 60 degree, so we will say that this opposite side will be AB or small c, and with respect to angle 60, the side A, or you can say side BC, will be equals to adjacent, and you know the diagonal side always equals to hypotenuse. So now I'm going to find the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle 60. So first of all, the first three ratios we have to find with the magical word so, ka, tua. So that I have already told you many times that what does these magical words SOH, CAH and TOA. So that sine 60 degree will be equals to, sine always equals to S for sine, O for opposite, H for hypotenuse. So sine 60 will be equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite side is C and hypotenuse is B. So C over B is the ratio between with respect to angle angle 60 of sine. So sine angle 60 will be equals to C over B. So the second ratio is cos 60. That will be equals to cos, always equals to cos is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So with respect to angle C, the cos 60 will be equals to adjacent side is A divided by hypotenuse. So we can say that cos 60 will be equals to A divided by b. So now the third ratio, tangent 60, will be equals to T for tangent over opposite, A for adjacent. So opposite divided by adjacent will be equal to tangent 60. So opposite is C divided by A. C divided by A. So these are the three main ratios that we have found with the help of these magical words with respect to angle 60. So now check the opposite of sine is cosecant. So cosecant 60 will be equals to B over C. So cosecant is the opposite of sine. So cosecant will be equals to B over C. So then the secant secant 60, the secant is the opposite of cos, so cos 60 is A over B, and secant 60 will be equals to B over A. So so cos and secant have the relation of reciprocal trigonometric ratio. So now find the cotangent, the sixth trigonometric ratio, cotangent 60 will be equals to the opposite of tangent. That tangent 60 is C over A. So cotangent 60 will be A over C. So these are the 6 ratios with respect to angle 60. So now if we find the 6 ratios with respect to 30, so that let's see what's going to happen. We in the beginning, the statement is given as the comparing the trigonometric ratios by using the angles of right angle triangle. So first of all, we have found all the 6 ratios with respect to angle 60, and then we are going to find the 6 ratios with respect to angle 30. So when we talk about the angle 30, so the opposite side will be this one. So if we take the angle 30 with the trigonometric ratios, so the side BC will be opposite, and the adjacent side will be AB. So that will be the adjacent side. So now we are going to find the ratios with respect to 30. So if we say that the first ratio, sine 30, what will be the ratio of sine 30? So sine 30, the opposite side is BC, or you can say A, and the adjacent side is AB, or you can say that C. So sine 30 will be equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is A and hypotenuse is B. So A over B. So let's find where you can find the A over B. So that's the ratio A over B. So I'm going to write down this in front of that ratio, that sine 30 will be equals to A over B. So now the second ratio, cos 30. So cos 30 will be equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. So with respect to angle 30, this side is adjacent. So adjacent is C and hypotenuse is B. So cos 30 will be equals to C over B. Let's find the C over B. Where is the C over B? So that's the C over B. So I'm going to write down that cos 30 will be equals to C over B. Now the third ratio, tangent, that I'm going to find the tangent with respect to angle 30. So tangent always equals to opposite over adjacent. So opposite is A and adjacent is C. So tangent 30 will be equals to A over C. Let's find where's the A over C. That's the last one, is A over C. So I'm going to write down tangent 30 is equals to A over C. So now I have found the three ratios, that sine 30, cos 30 and tangent 30. So I'm going to explain after finding all these trigonometric ratios with respect to angle 30. Then we will see that what's going to happen in the end of this lecture. So the sine 30 is equals to A over B. The opposite of sine 30 is cosecant 30. So cosecant 30 we're going to write down as B over A, because cosecant is the opposite of sine. So cosecant 30 will be equals to B over A. Then find the B over A. Where is the B over A? Here is the B over A. So cosecant 30 will be equals to B over A. Now the next ratio will be secant. So secant 30 is the opposite of cos 30. So secant 30 will be equals to B over C, because secant 30 is the opposite of the cos. So secant 30 will be equals to B over C. Then find the B over C. Where is the B over C? So B over C is here. So secant 30 will be equals to B over C. So the last one is tangent 30. The opposite of tangent is cotangent. Then the ratio of cotangent will be C over A. So that's the C over A. So cotangent 30 will be equals to C over A. So these are the two side-by-side ratios that we have found with the angle with respect to angle 60 and 30. So let's see what we are going to find. We are going to compare the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle 60 and angle 30. So sine 60 will be equals to cos 30. So the ratio of sine 60, if C over B, if we are talking about the angle 60 and we find the sine 60 is equals to C over B, then will be equals to the other angle 30 with the ratio cos. So cos 30 will be equals to sine 30. So cos 30 is C over B and sine 30 is C over B. Similarly, if we say cos, what is the value of cos 60? A over B. That will be equals to the sine 30 will equal to A over B. So if we find the cos 60 from this angle, so the value of cos 60 will always be equals to the other angle with the sine. So other angle is 30. So the value of sine 30 will be equals to the cos 60. So that's how I'm comparing the 6 ratios with respect to these two angles. So if we say that sine 60 is C over B, then the value of cos 30 will be equal to C over B. So now the 6 ratio, the second, if we find the tangent 60, that is equal to C over A, then the value of cotangent 60 will also be C over A. So if we say that cosecant 60 is B over C, then the secant 30 will be equal to B over C. So the value of this angle the trigonometric ratio of this angle, if we find in the tangent, that will be equals to the trigonometric ratios of cotangent 30. So these both are same. So if we say that cosecant is equal to b over c, cosecant 60, then that will be equal to secant 30 b over c. So if we see these trigonometric ratios that have the same sides or same ratios, then where they will be same, if we find the angle 60 trigonometric ratios with respect to 60, so the trigonometric ratios with respect to 30 will be the same ratios with each other. So you can see that all the ratios with respect to these two angles, so how they are equal to each other. So I'm going to repeat once more that if sine 60 is c over b, then cos 30 will be always c over b. If cos 60 is a over b, then sine 60 will be sine 30 will be a over b. If tangent 60 c over a, then cotangent 30 will be c over a. Remember that we are using these two angles to find the trigonometric ratios, and they are the same with each other, as sine 60 will be equals to cos 30, cos 60 will be equals to sine 30, tangent 60 will be equals to cotangent 30, cosecant 60 will be equals to secant 30, and secant 60 will be equals to cosecant 30, and cotangent 60 will be equals to tangent 30. So that's how our today's lecture was about the comparing of the trigonometric ratios by using these two angles, and we have seen that which ratios are equal with each other with these two angles. So hopefully you will understand when you will watch this video. Inshallah, I will take some more examples, more interesting examples about the trigonometric ratios that are going to be more interesting. So inshallah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.